Okay, hi everyone, this is Ambi Fresh, your DIY mama. Today we are going to produce 10 liters of liquid soap. As you can see, this rubber contains 10 liters of water. It contains 10 liters of water. So we are going to start. Okay, the ingredients that we need, the materials that we need for the production of these 10 liters, I'm going to list the grams so that you can get all of them. Okay, number one is Texapon. This is Texapon. That's the three ingredients, one of the three ingredients, one of the three materials that we are going to use in production of 10 liters of liquid soap. Okay, this is Texapon. Okay, this is SLS. SLS. It's as if it's rice. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It's SLS. And then this is salt. It's your normal kitchen salt. Just that I measured it. I measured the quantity that I want out. This is just your normal kitchen salt. Okay, so we are going to use, these are the three major things we are going to use for our production of 10 liters of liquid soap: Texapon, SLS, and salt, your normal kitchen salt that you use. Okay, then this is my color, green color. Is water soluble color. Is optional. You can choose to put the color, because some people will order and say that they want a transparent liquid soap. So this is optional. Okay, these are the major three things that you need. This color is optional. And perfume. This is my perfume. This is 30 mils of perfume. So it's your choice. It's optional. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so out of the 10 liters of water, I'm going to pour some quantity of water that I need. So why you are doing it like that is that you will not have much of water. You will not have too much of water while doing it. Like now, I have 10 liters of water. I want to produce 10 liters of water. So I will start. I'm not going to put all the water in there. I'm going to measure some water inside a bowl for me to start my preparation. So, and then I'll be watching how the thickness is, so that it will come out to my own taste. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, this is the remaining water. So this is our Texapon. We are going to put our Texapon. Okay. That's the first material you are going to impute, your Texapon. Sorry, my hand glove finished. I'm gonna get another one. I'm going to get another hand glove, but I need to deliver this lecture. I need to deliver this training, okay, because some people are asking me of how they can actually do liquid soap with three materials, three ingredients. Okay, so these are Texapon. Immediately you put it, you can use your whisk or you use your kitchen spatula. Okay, whichever one that reach your hand. Okay, let's start turning. Okay, as you're actually turning it, you're actually mixing it, then you will now mix your, you now be putting your SLS and keep mixing it well. As you are putting it, you are mixing it well. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. As you are putting it, you are mixing it. Okay? This is your SLS. Okay? This is the second material, the second ingredient that I have put inside the water. Okay? So continue to melt it, continue to mix it very well. Mix it well. Okay, now we are going to put our salt. We are going to put our salt out. As you see what will happen. Watch out as you see what will happen when you put in the salt, okay? You see, immediately you are putting the salt, it will be thickening. It will be thickening. Okay? Okay? Are you seeing it? The salt. See, it's even heavy in my hand. I cannot even turn it. It's very heavy. In my hand, I cannot turn it. Okay? Keep turning it. 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 I'm even going to add some quantity of water to it. Okay? Keep turning. Okay? Are you seeing it? Keep turning it. As you can see. Are you seeing how it is? Keep turning. As you can see. You see how transparent, how the mixture is. Just look at it. Are you seeing it? Keep turning. Okay, I'm still going to add some more quantity of water to it. I'm going to add some more quantity of water to it. Keep turning. Hi. Keep turning it. Okay. You can actually leave it like this. Okay. You can actually leave the color as transparent as this, or you can actually put your color. Okay, you have to mix your color inside another bowl like I'm doing, then you'll be putting it. The color is to your taste. Okay, as you can see, I can decide to put all the color. I can still decide not to put all the color. Okay, so you put the color to your taste. The last thing we are going to put is our perfume. Our perfume. and we are done. Like I said, this perfume and color, they are optional. You can decide not to put them, okay? So you are done. That is it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay?